Hi, this is Dave, a fellow tubemaster. If you're a new YouTuber, you've come to the right video today. Let me get right into today's content. One of the most often repeated advices to succeed on YouTube is to upload videos consistently and persistently. In fact, I've given this same advice many times as well. However, I want to clarify something about uploading consistently because there is definitely some misunderstandings about this. Is it important to upload on a consistent basis? Yes, it definitely is. However, that doesn't mean uploading just to upload. The consistent schedule should not be created randomly, like saying, I'm going to upload one video per day. That might be a good goal, but it's random. The better thing to do is to figure out how long it takes you to make a good quality video, from start to finish. Let's say from the time you get the video idea, to writing the script, to recording the content, to creating a good thumbnail, to editing the video, to publishing it, takes 3 days. Then you might want to make your upload schedule as every 4 days, especially if you have a full-time job and have a family. What I'm saying is that you have to be realistic about your goals and make sure your life is balanced. If you're so committed to keeping your YouTube upload schedule that you miss out on really important events in your life, you're not going to be happy, and that, in turn, will actually hurt your YouTube journey in the long run. So, let me give you a very simple plan for YouTube success. Step 1. Pick a very specific niche that is already popular. Step 2. Figure out video ideas in advance, 40 or 50 of them. Step 3. Figure out how much total time it takes for you to create and upload a video. Step 4. Figure out your upload schedule based on that. Step 5. Try to keep it the best you can, but if you're late one day, don't get down. In this video, I don't want to get into details of thumbnails and titles and things like that. I have other videos on that I'd highly recommend you watch on my channel, but I just wanted to talk about the upload schedule today. Remember, YouTube is a long marathon. It is not a short sprint. If you consistently put out great high-quality content that people find useful or are entertained by, you'll do well in the long run. As I said in previous videos, I created this channel from scratch so I can walk along with you on this journey. I'd love to hear your story. Please share it in the comments below, and I'll be sure to reply to you. My name is Dave, and I really appreciate you watching this video today. Please consider liking and subscribing if you found this helpful. And one last thing. I do want to mention that there is an affiliate link in the description below. If you're interested in investing some money and time to accelerate your YouTube channel success, and want to learn from a person who has over 10 hugely successful channels, I can think of no one better than Matt Parr. I highly recommend his course. Please check out the link in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, and be sure to join me in my next video.